Just in there, there's a lovely start. Nice song thrush. In this goes. Clutch of 4. Beautiful. Yeah, lovely. Get out. Good start. Well hidden, that. Well, just in there, I've just come away from that song thrush, and just in this little bit of gorse, there's a new long-tailed tit in there. It's full of eggs. The bird had come out, but it's just a little patch of gorse there. That's great to have another active one. I've got about 5 now, so that's good. And that's just a little bit of gorse there. Right, get out. Just checking this little bit of area here, and both willow warblers and chifchaff singing. Yeah, that's the willow warbler just gone. And big thunder from the ground, pheasant. So, but it's just a scrape, and she's got 1 egg in there. Just under a little canopy, grass, nettles, and there she is. We're checking on that. Yes. It's a little scrape there. Yeah, we'll get out. It's not a golf ball. Yeah, just looking in there, that's a lovely little new dunnock nest there, clutch of 4. Right, we're going to get out. A few raindrops on them. Heavens could open. Yeah, it's a beauty. We'll cover this back up and get out. Excellent. Got a new one in there. I'm thinking chifchaff. No birds, no alarm calls, nothing. You can see it's been feathered there. Lovely little bramble overhang. Dry grasses nestled in amongst the nettles. Nettled many times. I'll try and cover that up just a little touch. Move some stuff across them. Aye, chifchaff. I would say it's quite mossy on the top actually. Maybe. Nah, chifchaff. I would say. Right, we'll get out. Yeah, just nestled in this V of this hawthorn. It's quite high. This was the one I'd found built, and the bird had flew from it the last time. Nothing in it, but she's flew again, and we'll have a little look, see if we can see her clutch now. Clutch of 4, I think. Camera. Oh, she's back. Okay. Right, we'll get out. I'll get down. Right, she's come back. Oh. Just sitting in a little area here looking for that willow warbler to come back in. And I was trying to locate the last time I was here. I've checked it, well, found 2 lovely new chifchaff nests. One ready to go and the other with the bird on the nest, which I've tried to get some close-up footage of. She never moved, even with a little tap across the top of that before I even come round the front of it. She never moved one bit. So possibility of chicks in there, maybe. Full clutch of eggs. I'm not sure, but she was a beauty. Aye, so last leg now. The afternoon has gone nowhere. Plus point has been the rain has held off. Some very dark clouds in here now. Time 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5 o'clock now. last little area. 15 minutes in here. Checked the song thrush earlier on up in the, quite high up in the hawthorn actually, and that's got the clutch of 4 now, which is great. The bird had come off, but a few branches up, I had to climb up a little bit, a few branches up, and she was back all over it. You'll hear that on the shot. So I had to get down pretty quick and out, but I will just watch and hear a bit. Hold this camera still. I've zoomed in quite a bit, but she has never moved a jot, and that's a little chifchaff in there. Not even with a little tap. I wonder if she's got chicks under her there. I don't know if you can see that through there. I'm trying to hold it still. It's quite a bit of zoom. Yeah, blur out there. Through all the thicket, I don't know if you can see her. She's tiny. That's the best I'm going to get. I'm going to get out of here. We'll get away. But it's a little nest. She's in there. She's a little beauty. That is a common whitethroat that's gone in there. Never even heard one. Never heard of one. You see that peak? Quite a nice deep cup on that one. Yeah, built, ready to go. Never even heard them. Oh, hang on. I thought I did that. Beauty.